Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve Roblox cursor going off screen. So the very first thing to do here is to simply go to your Roblox, and if you see something wrong with your cursor going off screen, what you're going to do here is to go to your search menu, go to settings, go to apps, and then click installed apps. Now you can scroll down here to see Roblox, or you can just simply search a Roblox app here. Okay, so let me type Roblox and then press enter. Or if you type Roblox, Roblox will appear here. Okay, so once you tap Roblox, what you're going to do is to simply look for the three dots beside it. Okay, you have to tap this three dots on the right side. Now, you have to choose the Roblox that you have downloaded from Microsoft Store, not from web browser. Okay, so tap that, go to Advanced Options, and then here you have to scroll down and look for Reset and Repair. So click Reset, and you can also click Repair. Okay, so you have to tap this two buttons here, Reset and Repair. Okay, and then once you're done with this, you can now exit your settings. And if the problem still exists or occur, what you're going to do is to simply uninstall this program. So go to settings again, go to apps, go to installed apps, look for Roblox or search for Roblox, and then click the three dots again. Okay, so let me look for Roblox here. This time you have to uninstall Roblox that you have downloaded from your web browser and the Roblox that you have downloaded from your Microsoft Store or you get from your Microsoft Store. So click on install, and then also the Roblox from web browser, click on install. So that's it. Now let's install it again. To install it using your Microsoft Store, you just have to go to your Microsoft Store. Okay, type Microsoft Store here, click open, and then go to the search bar or search icon, and then you just have to type Roblox. Then you can see their Roblox player or game. And what you're going to do is to click get. Okay, tap this one, click get, and you have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes as it is processing. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you want to download and install Roblox from Google Web Browser, you just have to go to Google Web Browser, log in your Roblox account, click or select any game here, for example, Blocks Fruits, and then you just have to tap this green button here. When you tap this, you can see here, download and install. And what you're going to do is simply tap that one, okay, download and install, and you will be notified right here, okay. And then once done, go to this folder, tap the folder icon, and then click Roblox Player, click Run as Administrator, then you just have to wait as it is processing. Okay, so it will pop up right here. Then it will show up that your Roblox has been installed. So what you're going to do is to open that one. Now, if this problem still occurs, you just have to restart your computer and try to open your Roblox again. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.